Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now by protecting what matters. Back up any widget settings or screenshots of pages so you can rebuild faster. Once done, open Settings and go to Apps or Apps and Notifications. Then use the menu to show System Apps so hidden launchers appear. Next, locate the launcher app by name, Home, Pixel Launcher, One UI Home, or the package name for any custom launcher, because clearing that app's data is the single reliable reset method. You now perform the core action. Open the launcher app details and tap Storage and Cache or Storage. First, clear the cache to remove transient files, then choose Clear Storage or Clear Data. This is the step that actually resets your home screen layout. Make sure you confirm any prompts. Once you do, app positions, folders, and widgets are removed, and the launcher returns to its default state. If you use a work profile or secondary user, repeat the same steps there. Once data is cleared, reboot the device so Android reinitializes the launcher with default pages. After restart, you'll see the stock home layout, place apps and widgets back, recreate folders, and sign in to any widget accounts to restore functionality. Make sure to reapply any launcher-specific settings. If the layout didn't reset or you couldn't find the launcher app, double-check you showed system apps. If needed, use a DB to list packages and clear the correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.